How to view TikTok analytics. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your TikTok analytics so you can track your growth and improve your content. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the business suite. And here, once you tap on it, it will show you the business suite option. So here under this, you simply have to tap on the analytics and this will open your TikTok analytics dashboard. And inside, you'll see different tabs like overview, video, audience, live, and messaging. So here you can check which videos get most views, likes, and watch time, and you can use this info to create more of what works best for your audience. And that's it. That's how you can use and view your TikTok analytics. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.